Well, it's May something. I don't know the date. It's a Thursday. This is my first time I've had an opportunity where it's not raining to actually start working on my boat. I've got two issues that I've talked about over and over and over, but I'm going to go over them again. And hopefully today we'll fix part of one of them and maybe figure out where the second leak is coming. I need to do this before I can put my engine and transmission back in the hole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Grant. This is my dog Susie. Say hi. Say hi. Not long ago I purchased a 37-foot Irwin sailboat. It's a ketch with a center cockpit. My channel is about rehabbing my sailboat and hopefully someday leaving a dock and sailing down south. First issue is I need a cover for that. Water's going right in that hole where all my wires and the linkage for my steering is, and then dropping down right on top of my engine. But during this winter I had it sealed up pretty good and it still leaked. As I look at the floor underneath my console here, or the stand, or whatever you want to call it, podium, I think I got a leak here too. So water was standing in the cockpit and eventually leaking underneath that. So today my plan is to jack that up a little bit, clean out from underneath there, and reseal that. Here's what it looks like on the underside. You can see the big hole right there. You can see where the cables come down through that aluminum plate right there. You see the 4 bolts. I need to clean or remove that plate, drop everything down, lift that console up about 4 inches or so, clean that, put it back down, of course re-caulking or resealing that. So that's my project for today. That's one of my one water leak, and that leaks right down into the engine oil pan or overflow area, or whatever you want to call it. It just keeps all the engine debris right there. But that water drops right down into that. My other oil leak, or not oil, but water, is coming from over there. I'm not sure where that's coming at, but it's coming down and leaking down into there. That's a different day, but today we're working on this one. Well, there's the top side of the plate. Gotta get that cleaned up. Yeah, it's pretty nasty, and look at the mess I made. I got some work to do. Hey YouTube, this is my boat neighbor Fred. Say hi, Fred.
this side. One day my daughter, I'm doing something on the side of the boat, and I have this big rubber mallet, right? I'm beating on shit with it, right? My daughter goes, "Can I see that?" She was just a little kid. She goes like this, Mom. Threw it in the water.
No.
Yeah, sank like a rock.
Alright, I got the area cleaned up. Got it vacuumed, wiped down with acetone, and I put 4200 underneath the pedestal. I'm going to let that clean, and I'm going to run a bead around the outside of it just to make sure, because you can see that the pedestal is not exactly flat, nor is the cockpit of the boat. But got the bolts cleaned up. Now I'm going to clean up the plate underneath and start reassembling it. And there's my helper. There's my helper right there. Hi. Hi, good girl. I see you. Alright. I need to clean it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm probably going to get bigger washers. But we're back in place. She's secure. And then tomorrow I'll run a bead around the outside edge of that. And I'll clean that up after it dries a little bit. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment. Just say hi. All of that helps out the algorithm and gets me more views. I appreciate you. Thank you.